Hi everyone. Have you ever had an idea of a wonderful business app or a new product? What is the first thing which comes to your mind? How do I get this business app or product idea developed? Who is going to help me actually realize my dream of having my idea converted into a real working app? How much it is going to cost me? How much time it will take to get it developed? How do I decide if I need to get it developed in-house or outsource it to a software company? Should I hire a developer? Who is going to manage him? How much is it going to cost me? How much time to hire good developer in our budget? How do I select outsourcing company? How do I know if they are actually going to deliver me what I want in the time which we have decided? Plenty of issues, right? What if I told you there's a platform which looks like Excel and you can start developing your web or mobile app quickly and deploy it, even if you are a business user and don't know how to code? Yes, there are 2,000 companies and 20,000 users are already using this low-code platform to realize their dream apps. And best part is, platform looks like as if you are working in Microsoft Excel. The idea of this platform came in because a lot of people love to work on Microsoft Excel. Even I do that. We do a lot of number crunching, try to create charts, reports in Excel, share Excel sheets, but we still want more and more power. We even do formulas on Excel, or we even do, pivot tables. We try to link Excel sheets and try to get various things. But the whole concept of creating a web app where the data is coming in the form of a sheet or coming from Excel or from my database, and I'm able to create input screens, or I can create nice charts, reporting. I can define who is going to access what data. If I'm able to do all this without knowing coding, and I can use this platform, create and deploy it quickly. And sometimes, as you know, or you might have faced this decision, I do have an idea what I want to create, and I'm not that clear. So I want to have a platform where I can quickly try it, see if it works, and modify it and check it again. So if you got a, if all that is available to you in a simple platform like this, would you like to try? If yes, click on the link below and go to our Forgency low-code platform. Download the free builder. You can download it on your Windows machine, check it out. You will get the activation key by filling up a form, and you can even go to our website, forgency.net, and check out case studies, check out interactive tutorial, check out demo apps which are already created. The best is the builder itself has a lot of templates of apps which have been created. You can use them, you can modify them as per your requirement. There are apps for budget control, meal order, CRM, ticket generation. You know, you can even create your own apps and share with your team. Hope you would try this apps, and I hope it will help you to realize your dream come true. Thank you so much.